Muthenya umwe tu thutha wa kurekererio kwa riboti ya BBI, mawoni ngurani mathiete na mbere kwiyumiria, amwe makinyita mbaru, aria angi makihita kaimana kwaga kunyita mbaru mendekithia ma riboti ino. Maabitha a urigitani ari gatagati ka aria marauga ni makungeirio wara riboti ino.
Now what has come out is not what the doctor ordered.
Hatuwezi kufanyiwa danganya toto, kumpatia peremende na imefunikwa.
Mugaru na kuumbwo gwa kamitii ireyatha ya gutangikira mateta na mabataro ma ataramu a urigitani. Riboti ino yendekithĩtie gucenjio gwa gicunji kia watho wigii urigitani wa mwaka wa 2017 niguo guitikiria kuumbwo gwa kamitii ya kibururi ya amemba 10, undu uria ngwataniro cia ataramu a urigitani ciũkĩrĩire, makiuga kamitii ino ndigukorwo na wiyathi wa gutangikira mabataro mao.
We cannot be hoodwinked with something that is proposing to amend the Health Act, what we call the Professional Health Authority, to call it now in the name of the Health Service Commission.
Without an independent constitutional body called the HSE, then there shall be no universal health coverage.
Kuringana na riboti ino, muikarĩri gĩtĩ wa kamĩtĩ ino arikoragwo ari minister wa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ. Amemba acio angĩ magĩcagũrwo nĩ honge itiganĩte ari hamwe na magavana.
Then management of human resources for health will not be under the mercy of a governor. The mercy of someone who decides they can sack healthcare workers and procedurally, like we have seen in counties like Laikipia, Kirinyaga, without following due process.
Mateta makoni marihi ma maabitha a urigitani kuongererwo mishara, kwambatirio ngathi, guthamio kwa maabitha aya kuma kaunti imwe nginyagia iria ingi, no gatagati ka maundu maria kamiti ino itanyitwo gukorwo igikinyaniria, undu uria maabitha aya mokĩrĩire na njĩra nene.
That the way the Health Services Commission is prescribed in the current proposal and in the current report of the Building Bridges Initiative, setting standards and allowing counties to run and manage human resources for health in their own way will not resolve these challenges.
Thutha wa kiria maugite ni gukungerio wara, marauga megucoka mirurungano-ini ya o muthenya nginyagia mateta mao magathikiririo makihita kwaga kunyita mbaru riboti ino.
We will be in the middle of the current conversation. Number 2, we are contemplating going to court to stop the second phase of BBI if the initial recommendation in the BBI 1 that we have a constitutional commission is not included.
Oho, makiuria Ngwataniro ciothe cia aruti wira bururi-ini kunyitanira guthingiriria mogaruruku ruhonge-ini rwa kuramata mishara ya aruti wira a muingi, makienda ruteanirio angikorwo matikuheo kanya ga gukinyanagiria matua riria mishara yao irarekereirio.
You cannot give a body powers to set salaries and that body at the same time cannot negotiate with the trade unions. So either SRC should be made a negotiating commission on behalf of the government so that it can engage trade unions, or it is disbanded completely.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wandirwa.